Welcome. If you're looking to control microphone access for Pinterest on your phone, you're in the right place. Today you'll learn how to set Pinterest so it always asks before using your microphone. This is a great way to keep your privacy in check while still enjoying all the features Pinterest has to offer. Let's get started with the first step. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you manage all your device's permissions and preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to open the list of all your installed apps. Next, you'll need to find Pinterest in the list. You can scroll through the apps or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Pinterest. Once you spot it, tap on the Pinterest app to open its settings page. Now, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you control what Pinterest can access on your device. Tap on Permissions to see a list of features like camera, contacts, and microphone. Find microphone in this list and tap on it. Here, you'll see several options for how Pinterest can use your microphone. To make sure Pinterest always asks before accessing your microphone, select the option labeled Ask Every Time. This means Pinterest will prompt you for permission each time it wants to use your microphone, giving you full control. That's all it takes. You've now set Pinterest to ask for microphone access every time it needs it. This setting helps protect your privacy and ensures you're always in control of your device's features. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and choose a different permission option. Keeping your app permissions up to date is a smart way to stay secure and enjoy your favorite apps with peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your device's privacy and permissions.